Top 5 Best Sunrise Alarm Clocks. Number 5. Hatch Restore Sound Machine. Another popular buy on the web, this is a clock that you can operate from your phone using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. But if bedtime is no phone time, there are also buttons for touch control as well. On their app, you can customize your sunrise with various colors and sounds, and you can even scroll through their guided meditations, relaxation exercises, and sleep stories to help you get to sleep. We think the best part of this clock is all of the content the company provides. But be aware, to get premium access to it, you're going to have to pay to subscribe once your free trial ends. Worth it? Perhaps. Coming in number 4. Lumie Bodyclock Shine 300. This is a slight upgrade to the Bodyclock Active above. It comes with 15 different sounds and the option to adjust the maximum brightness intensity for your sunrise or sunset. The biggest add, though, is that FM radio. So if tunes are important to you, that extra $20 might be worth it. Coming in number 3. iHome Zenergy Dream Mini IZBT7. While the light on this clock isn't the brightest, it has a lot of awesome nature sound options and voice-guided breathing exercises. iHome Zenergy's model has both sunrise and sunset options, and with the Bluetooth audio function, you can connect your phone and play music from your favorite streaming platforms. In case the power were to ever go out, this clock even has a backup battery, so you don't have to worry about your alarm going conking out when you need it. Coming in number 2. Philips SmartSleep Connected Sleep and Wake Up Light. Philips makes some of the best electronics around, and this clock does not fall short. The light emanates from a multicolored LED that shifts from red to a bright yellow-white for the sunrise setting. You can adjust the duration of the sunrise from 20 to 40 minutes, and tweak the maximum brightness to your desire. This clock also has a sunset setting, which is great for settling down at night. As for sound settings, there's an FM radio as well as gentle alarm sounds. It was also suggested by our experts in the Good Housekeeping Institute. Coming in number 1. Philips SmartSleep Wake Up Light. This one is just like the regular SmartSleep clock, except it has a bunch of fun add-ons like Bluetooth connectivity, a USB charging port, multiple alarm settings, and their Sleep Mapper app, which is an advanced alarm scheduler, according to the makers. The clock also has soothing sounds and a relax breathe function, which has guided breathing exercises to help you fall asleep. The light on this one is brighter than most lights at 315 lux with 5 additional brightness settings. So if you want something a little fancy, this is the one to go for.